Did you know that the movie snippet you just watched was generated entirely with AI? And the best part is, every single scene was created inside Flick. No extra apps, no complicated workflows, and no switching between different tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I turned one simple idea into a full AI film with consistent visuals, cinematic shots, and a professional storytelling workflow using Flick's powerful canvas and node-based system. If you've been looking for an AI filmmaking tool that gives you real creative control over every shot, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, head over to the Flick Art website. If you'd like to follow along and try Flick for yourself, use my link in the description below. You'll get 300 free credits just for signing up, which is plenty to start creating your first AI film. Flick is an AI filmmaking platform built specifically for storytellers. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools for image generation, video creation, editing, character consistency, and color grading, Flick brings the entire filmmaking workflow into one creative workspace. What makes Flick different is its powerful canvas and node-based workflow. Rather than simply generating random clips, you have full creative control over every stage of your project. You can build your workflow visually, refine scenes, maintain consistent characters, and shape your film exactly the way you want. Unlike most AI video tools that focus on short 8-second clips, Flick is designed for creating longer films. Everything you need is built into one platform, from generating scenes and keeping characters and voices consistent, to editing and final color grading. There's no need to jump between different applications. Flick also comes with over 900 curated cinematic styles, and more than 1 million classic film scenes that you can use for inspiration, making it much easier to achieve a professional cinematic look. If you're curious about what's possible, you can also explore Flick TV, where you'll find incredible AI films and behind-the-scenes breakdowns created entirely with the platform. Once you've signed up, you'll arrive at your dashboard, and that's where we'll begin. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is the prompt box. This is where you describe your idea and tell the Flick agents what you want to create. Think of it as your creative starting point. The clearer your idea is, the better Flick can help you build your project. Just below the prompt box, you'll find several options to help you get started quickly. You can build from a blank canvas, take a guided tour, create from a script, and explore a few other starting points depending on your workflow. If you scroll down a little further, you'll also see films created by other Flick users, which is a great place to get inspiration and see what's possible with the platform. Over in the top right corner, you'll find the New Project button. Clicking it takes you directly to the Flick canvas, where you can start building your film from scratch. But for this tutorial, I want to show you the simplest workflow, so we'll begin right here from the prompt box. I'll enter a simple idea. Nothing overly detailed, just something like, create a realistic, 1-minute 5-scene action short film set in a bright rural American countryside during broad daylight. The story follows a courageous 35-year-old U.S. soldier in modern tactical gear who arrives in a small farming community after hearing reports of a massive, aggressive wild boar that has been terrorizing local families, destroying crops, and charging at anyone who enters the nearby forest. The soldier is calm, disciplined, and highly skilled, determined to protect the villagers. It should include dialogues with perfect lip syncs across all 5 scenes where necessary. You don't need a perfect prompt because we'll continue refining the project as we go. Next, I'll choose a visual style. Flick gives you access to more than 900 visual styles, and the library keeps growing. As you can see, there are plenty of beautiful options to choose from. You can also create your own style and save it. Also, to stop you from constantly searching for styles, you can favorite any style you fancy. Since I'm aiming for a distinct look, I'll go with this style right here. Finally, I'll set the aspect ratio. Because I'm creating a long-form film, I'll select 16:9. With everything in place, all that's left to do is click Generate, and Flick will begin building the foundation of our project. Once you click Generate, the Flick agent gets to work immediately. One thing I really like is that it doesn't just generate everything behind the scenes, it actually walks you through its thought process, asks for your input when needed, and requests your approval before moving forward. It feels much more like collaborating with a filmmaking assistant than using a traditional AI tool. You can also chat with the agent just like you would with a teammate or film director. If you want to adjust the story, improve a scene, or try a different creative direction, simply tell it what you want in plain English. On the left side, you can watch the canvas update in real time as the agent maps out each scene and connects everything into a complete workflow through different nodes. This makes it very easy to understand how your project is being built. If you want to change a specific scene, just click on it. You'll see editing options appear directly on the canvas, and that scene is automatically added to the chat. From there, you can ask the agent to regenerate the shot, change the camera angle, modify the composition, or make any other adjustment you want. The best part is that Flick updates only the selected scene without affecting the rest of your project. Now that all of our visuals are finished, I'm happy with the results. The agent also provides a clear summary of everything it has done, giving you a chance to review, make additional changes, or accept the output. Since everything looks good, let's move on to the next step and animate these images into videos. The video generation only takes a few minutes, and honestly, it's one of the fastest AI video generation workflows I've used. As you can see, the AI agent walks me through every process of the creation, asking for my input where necessary. Once the videos are ready, you can preview each scene individually to make sure everything looks the way you want. If you notice anything you'd like to improve, you can simply select that scene and ask the agent to make the necessary adjustments before moving on. With the video scenes completed, the next step is to add a Hollywood-style score, which is your cinematic background music. Instead of automatically generating generic music, Flick lets you customize it by editing the prompt yourself. This gives you much more control over the mood and emotion of your film, whether you're going for something dramatic, emotional, suspenseful, or uplifting. Once the soundtrack is ready, it's time to assemble everything on the editing timeline. This is another area where Flick really stands out. You don't need to export your clips into another editing application because Flick includes a full editing timeline right inside your browser. From arranging your scenes to syncing your music and making final edits, everything can be done in one place without leaving the platform. As you can see, Flick has automatically placed all of our scenes on the timeline, including the background score. Everything is already arranged in the correct order, so there's very little manual work left to do. Let's play back a short preview and see how everything looks. That already looks really impressive. Of course, you're not limited to what the agent creates. You can trim clips, add text overlays, apply visual effects, apply color grading on the clips, and make audio adjustments directly on the timeline. For example, I think the background music is a little too loud, so I'll simply reduce the volume to give the dialogue more room to breathe. You can also gain inspiration from blockbuster Hollywood films you loved in the past and apply it to your work. Once you're happy with the final edit, click Export. Flick lets you export your film in resolutions up to 4K, so your final video looks as sharp and professional as possible. You can download it directly to your device or publish it straight to Flick TV and your social media platforms. One feature I absolutely love is the ability to export your project directly to professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. That means if you want to take your film even further with advanced editing, you can continue your workflow without having to rebuild your project from scratch. Now, let's take a look at the final result. I think the output speaks for itself. The visuals are cinematic, the scenes flow naturally, and the consistency from beginning to end is genuinely impressive. If someone showed me this without any context, it would be hard to believe it was created entirely with AI. If you'd like to create films like this yourself, check out my Flick link in the description below. You'll get 300 free credits just for signing up. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.